guys, my name is Paul Thompson, and what you see on screen behind is an opportunity described as pool funding. So today I'm going to give you a complete breakdown and walkthrough of everything to do with pool funding, how it works, and how you can earn significant income from it. It's a business designed specifically to build wealth using the crypto market. It does it in two ways, and we're going to look at both those ways as we progress. So first of all, this is the welcome page that you would find if you clicked a referral link from somebody who's already a member of this opportunity. So I'm going to remove my video screen now, and we're going to take a look at this opportunity. Okay, so as you can see on the page here, there is a video that you can watch. So as and when, if you do have an interest in this business and somebody sends you a referral link, I suggest that you have a look at that video there. If you scroll down the page, there's more information. And also, when you get to your referral link, this is what you're going to see. You'll see something like this. Down the page here, you're going to see some other videos that you can watch as well. So there's a great deal of information there. So for today, I'm going to walk you through this page here and what you see here. And I'm going to start by saying that there are two ways that you can earn an income from this opportunity. The first is by making daily payments into what's described as the pool. And by making daily payments, you receive the company's tokens in return for the payments that you make to the same value of that payment that you make. In this case, we're in the $1 pool. So you'd be making a payment of $1 and you'd be receiving $1 worth of the token that's specific to that $1 pool. And you would receive $1 worth of the token at the value of that token on that day. Now, what happens with that is that every time you make a payment, and the idea is that you make a payment on a daily basis, you're basically staking the token over a period of time. And the period of time is 90 days. So in other words, you make a payment and you're assigned into your holdings wallet the value of the token on that day, $1 worth. The following day, if you make a payment of $1, this will grow, your holdings will grow to the value of $2 on that day. So every day you make a payment, you receive tokens as a reward for making that payment. And after 90 days, the value of the tokens that you have there will show here. And the whole idea of this community is that we work together to increase the value of the tokens over time. And we do that with a very specific strategy. So if you're a member of the opportunity of this business and you're working towards building the value of the token, then after 90 days, that token value should be higher than the day that it actually entered into the holdings wallet. At that point, after 90 days, so on the 91st day, those holdings go into your actual MetaMask wallet. And as you can see over here, after 90 days of making $1 payments, I've got 8 days worth of payments that are now dropping into my MetaMask wallet in the form of the PFI token. And those tokens are worth just a little over $1.05, let's say, per day. And so my holdings are building up into actual coins that are in my MetaMask wallet. So let me show you that. So this is the PFI token, and you can see that it's starting to accrue in my wallet. Now, at any given time, I can determine exactly what that value is worth. And if I want to, I can swap that for USDT and I can withdraw that money. So this is a way of staking over a period of time in a token that's part of a community who are dedicated to increasing the value of that token over time. So there's not only one token that the company offers, as you kind of can see here. We have a $1 pool where you can make $1 payments per day and receive $1 worth of tokens per day. And we have also a $10 pool and a $100 pool. We are in the future planning to have a $1,000 pool as well. That becomes very significant in a moment when I talk about the affiliate side of the business. But for the moment, let's just say that you are also paying in the $10 pool. And what that means is that for every $10 payment that you make, you're going to receive $10 worth of the value of the token, the PFP token that's relative to the $10 pool. And as you can see here, I've made 86 payments. So $10 times 86 is 860. So I've made 86 payments. So within 4 days now, or from 4 days time, this $10 payments are going to start falling into my wallet in the form of the token value as it is at the time that it comes into the wallet. So my $10 worth of token may be worth very much more than the $10 when I originally purchased it 3 months ago, or 90 days ago, or 86 days ago to be exact. And so when it gets to 90 days, I'm fully expecting that more than the value of $10 per payment per token is going to be falling into my wallet. This here actually describes the total value of my wallet as it stands at the moment. So after all these payments here, this is what the value of the tokens that I'm holding are, and this will increase over time. So if the longer I hold on to this, the more likely this is to increase, because the whole point of this community is that we are growing the value of the tokens by using the strategies in order to do that. So this is one way of growing wealth with this company. This is often described as dollar cost averaging, which means that you are buying the token over a series of days or weeks, and over that time the value will fluctuate, but in general you'd expect it to be going up. Some days it will be slightly lower, some days it will be higher, but in general the trend will be upwards. And so if you're dollar cost averaging over that period of time, you will gain the greatest benefit from the increase in the value of the token over that period of time. That's why we put these tokens into a 90-day holding area where they can mature and gain in value over time. So that's the first way in which you can make money from this opportunity, and you can grow wealth from doing that, from the $1 pool, the $10 pool, and the $100 pool. So you can choose which of those you might like to join. Most people join at least the $1 and the $10 pool. That starts to build up significant value in tokens over the 90 days. That's one way of building value with this opportunity, as you can see. The other way, as you can see here, is that you have a referral link. And by introducing this opportunity to other people, you can start to benefit from receiving the payments that people make into the pool. So you receive 100% of the payments that come in through the pool that are made through your referrals, and that payment comes direct to your MetaMask wallet in the form of USDT. So it doesn't go to the company at all, but the company registers the fact that your referral has made a payment to you, and it then drops the equivalent amount of tokens into their wallet. So each time they make a payment to you, then they are accruing or accumulating the tokens into their wallet on a daily basis as well. So now you are receiving referral commissions, and in this case, if they're paying into the $1 pool, you're going to receive $1 every single day. But of course, you joined this business through somebody else's affiliate link, which means that you are paying out $1 a day to the pool, which in general is going to go to the person who introduced you to the business. So in other words, your sponsor. So when you have two people paying you $1 a day, then you are in positive cash flow, because $1 is going to go to your sponsor. The other dollar is going to stay in your account, in your MetaMask wallet, for you to use however you want to use. Same is true, of course, of the $10 payment pool. So when people make payments into the $10 pool, provided you are making payments as well into the $10 pool, you will be receiving their $10 on a daily basis. So if you have two people who are paying $10 into the pool on a daily basis, two of your referrals, then of course you're going to be in positive cash flow to the value of $10, because you'll be receiving $20 a day, 10 of which is going to your sponsor, 10 of which is going into your wallet, and it's accruing in your wallet and building up value in your wallet as well. So at that stage, not only are you adding to your coin value, or to your coin quantity and ultimately coin value on a daily basis, but now you are receiving daily cash flow of $10 from having two referrals. So when we get to the $100 pool, of course, then you're receiving, with your same two referrals. Now these same two referrals can follow you through all of the pools, all of the payment pools. And so if you've got two referrals now paying you $1 a day, paying $10 a day, and paying $100 a day, you're going to be $111 per day in positive cash flow, which is going straight into your wallet and available for you to spend however you wish. So the more referrals you have, of course, the more payments are going to be being made into your account. You only ever make one payment out in each of the pools. So if you're in three of the pools, you'll be making a $1 payment, one $10 payment, and one $100 payment on a daily basis. But you might be receiving up to 3, 4, 5, or even 9 different payments from your referrals, depending on the number of referrals that you have in those pools. You'll see that in the $100 pool, I have 9 referrals. That's 9 of my referrals are making $100 payments per day. And also, if I revert back to the $10 payments, the $10 pool, you can see I actually have 10 referrals there. So 10 are making $10 payments to me on a daily basis. And if I go to the $1, you'll see that there are 10 there as well. So now I'm earning from 2 different sources of income. I'm earning from referral commissions And I'm also building up value in the token as well. So this is starting to get really quite massive and quite significant by receiving 9 times $10 payments on a daily basis. That's $90 a day that I'm receiving. I'm paying out 10, so I'm in profit by $80 per day. So 30 times 80 is $2,400 a month. So that's just from the $10 pool. So if I were to add the $100 pool to that, you can see that the figures start to get significantly higher. So having explained all of that, what we need to do is to look at all of these figures here and find out what's going on. So let's go to the $1 pool. We use that as the best example. So these figures here show how many $1 payments I've made. And you can see I've made 99 $1 payments. How many payments I've received from my referrals. And that amounts to $644. So if I take away the $99 from that, so let's say that's 100, that would be $544 that I've received in positive cash flow. So that's profit to me. The PFI holdings that I have in my account now, as a result of having made all these payments, is $54, as you can see. And because I'm past the 90-day period, I'm now starting to receive the tokens into my wallet that have matured for 90 days and now are being paid to my wallet account. So if I go to the received PFI, I'm 8 days in after 90 days. And so I've got 8 payments here. I should say 9 days in. So there'll be another payment due to me today. So as you can see here, these are the amounts that are coming into my wallet on a daily basis. And of course, we've got the dates of when they're being paid into my wallet and the original date that they were awarded to me on the day that I made my first $1 payment. So not only am I receiving commissions on a daily basis, but I'm now receiving the tokens value as they are at today's date into my wallet, which I can change into USDT and I can spend that as well. So I think that's enough for now. That should give you a pretty good idea of how this works. And thanks for listening. And I hope you find that of interest. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.